That's a southbound Union Pacific power move here at Delmar Road in Austin, Texas. So since they're moving the siding, I'm gonna wait for a few minutes for the light to turn green for a northbound train and see what happens. Bye bye.